This video will explain how to provide power to the UR50BD. You will use the power cable on the left along with the AC adapter on the right. Connect the female end of the power cable to the 3-prong socket of the AC adapter. Connect the round AC adapter plug to the unit's 15-volt DC power connector. For a more secure connection, use the DC cable detachment prevention fixture. Route the AC adapter plug through the large hole of the fixture. Align the small hole of the fixture with the silver hole on the unit. Using a Phillips screwdriver, secure the fixture to the unit with the included screw. Once all connections have been made, insert the 3-prong male end of the power cable into an appropriate AC receptacle. Press the standby on button. Do not press any other buttons while the display shows initializing. After a few seconds, the display will change to initializing stop, and then no media. The UR50BD has been successfully turned on and is ready for use.